This is a Kenmore 158-1781 Series 2. This is the top drop-in Class 15 series, and they've got this bobbin case that is pretty complex, but you need to clean underneath it, and there's a quick and easy way to remove it. There's a notch on each side with a screwdriver spot on this yellow section here. And if I can hit the one I can't see, and then with both of these yellow flaps in, it will lift up, and it will only come out when these two fingers here are in just the right spot to let it go. There. Lifts out, and then you can clean underneath it. I've already cleaned under this one. There was a lot of fuzz in this machine, including a giant wad stuck in the tensioner, so it had no tension. The other thing you can do when you take this apart is look on the underside here. This bobbin case I've actually reinforced. There were spiderweb cracks. These dots are the screws that hold the bottom and top of the bobbin case together. There were massive spiderweb cracks from those holes. And I just put a little super glue along all the spiderweb cracks and polished it off flat to reinforce that so that this won't crumble from there anymore. And then to reinsert the bobbin case, we got that finger out of the way, the black one on the left. We need to put it in so that this tab pokes up between the feed dogs, and then the left side goes under this finger, and then a little bit of a jiggle, and it goes in place, and then we can push those two yellow latches out, and now it's back in place. We'll snap our pop-on needle plate back on.